Imagine yourself in this 2008 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck SR5. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, steel wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS, brake assist, privacy glass and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.